Duncan's like, I'm terrified.
What's he gonna do to me? Peck me to death.
What's that bird? Duncan, no. I said sit. Look at this bird. It's gonna hop on the four-wheeler. Oh my gosh! You look. Duncan, are you sitting? Stay. Oh my gosh, we got it on video. It's on its neck.
I don't know. Look at your injury.
Stay. You stay. It's so cool.
Are you gonna get in a car?
60!
Get out of my car, you goober.
Yep. It's just a leaf stuck to its neck. Da da da, nothing.
No, get out.
It's so funny. Just open the door, Mom. Back door, I'd say. I'm just gonna hang out. Poor little bugger. Oh, wait, that's dirt. Oh my gosh.